the color itself begin to ripple. And when you zoom out, you begin to see a three-dimensional illustration of the ripple effect in water on a two-dimensional surface, and it's a fascinating phenomenon. What caused this three-dimensional interpretation, or the optical illusion in the eye, is because the darkness that's used, that opacity, the level of the darkness opacity is so mild and subtle that it creates ripple effect. So this is how we create water. The darker the shades determine what aspect of the water the light is not reflecting on. And I find I got into art, I'm from a research scientist perspective. I noticed that art is helping me unravel a lot of different phenomena.